For defining of column, I will go in the define column properties. Before there is reinforcing bar sizes. So here number 6 bar, number 8, and its bar area, bar diameter. There are also different, for example, US soft metric, here US customary, here. So these all bars are present in 8 tabs. You can select as per your requirements. Okay. Detailing results are currently available. They will be deleted if okay. Because I have not generated any detailing results, so it will not matter because I am overriding the bar sizes. Now I will go in the define tendon properties for post tension slabs. So here is the column properties. For column properties, I will click add new. Here I will define column 300 by 300 millimeter. So here again material is FC prime 28 megapascal, display color, notes, column shape. So there are different shapes: T shape, L shape, general, circular, and rectangular. Because I have selected I want to make a column of 300 by 300 millimeter. Here I have put the values. Here include automatic rigid zone area our column to control the deformations. So I am making a connection between the slab and column so that column control the deflections. So here is a two options for drop panel and for drop capital. If I want to create a drop panel, so here is the option how much is the dimension of drop panel in the 2 direction and in the 3 direction. Here it is 1.2 meter. So here I will put it to, for example, 1400 millimeter. 1400 millimeter. So why I am changing at the start we put tentative values, for example 1000 millimeter, 1000 millimeter, and if our punching shear check is okay, so then we can optimize up and down. If the check is not okay, then we will definitely go towards the higher values of the drop panel. Further, for the slab property we can also define the drop panel thickness in the drop panel area. So for example I will go back again in the define slab properties. Now I will again define a new property, that is a drop, that is of 250 millimeter thick. So here I will put 250 millimeter, and the property of material is also same, and that is a drop. Okay. Now when I will go in the define column properties, modify, here I will select my material drop. Now the drop thickness will be 250 millimeter in the drop panel area. If I want to create a further column capital, you can see in the picture. So what is the column capital, column drop capital and the drop panel. So you can also further create a drop panel, drop capital. So that's how you can define the column in CSI SAFE software. Okay. Now I will define the load patterns. Here is the load pattern, that 1, live, 0, and you can also make another for example earthquake. So similarly you can define more load patterns in the SAFE software. Here is a defined load cases. In the defined load cases, for example, that modify, there what are load cases? When we define the load patterns, then load cases define the property that how loads pattern should be applied to the structure. So there are 3 load case types, that is a static, model, and hyperstatic. Hyperstatic is used for post tension slabs, and model for calculation of time period, natural frequency for this purpose by eigenvectors, Newton's vector, and for our analysis and design we use the static case. So there are three different options: linear, non-linear, allow uplift, non-linear crack, non-linear long-term crack. For non-linear long-term crack, we also have to provide the creep coefficient in shrinkage strain, so that we can calculate the non-linear long-term cracked behavior. So for the normal calculation, we often use the linear static. For the different cases of non-linear allow uplift, I will discuss in the next lectures. So here for live, that is again live 1 and non-linear behavior. Okay. Now I will click define load combinations. In the safe, we can define by manual, for example 1.4 dead. So here I will put 1.4 dead. Okay, the load combination type is, that is the strength ultimate load combination type. Okay, now I will also define a service load combination in which all things are 111 dead plus 1 live plus 1 earthquake. Again I will select in dead is 1, second live is 1, third earthquake is 1. So that's how I have made the combination. Again, there are different types of making the combinations. Here are linear addition, in valve, absolute addition, SS, range addition. SRS is basically square root of sum of squares. So these are addition types. For example, how we add the load combinations. So we normally use in our designs linear addition. So that's why I'm clicking here. So now the load combination type is service normal. Okay, so these are that's how we can manually enter the load combinations. Now we can also add default design combination. The software can quickly add, for example, I want the ultimate load combinations as per ACI code. Okay, software automatically generate the load combinations. Here you can check 1.4 that software automatically created. Okay, you can also add that's up to you. So that's all for the load combinations.